Make breakfast with EnglishFlix. Hey everyone, welcome back to EnglishFlix. Today we're opening a special Verb Cafe where you will become amazing chefs and learn some magic verb tricks. Verb chart with basic verbs like eat, drink, cook, pour, scramble. Imagine you are a chef in our Verb Cafe. Customers are hungry and want delicious breakfast orders. But there is a secret recipe. Verbs change depending on who is cooking. Let's see how. These colorful cards are like magic ingredients. Each one tells us who is doing the action in our sentence. Let's say a customer orders scrambled eggs. But before you cook, you need to know who is eating them. It's I who wants scrambled eggs. I scramble the eggs. See, my verb changes to scramble to show I am the chef. But if it is you, what do you say? You scramble the eggs. Now the verb becomes scramble too, but for you. We saw how I scramble and you scramble for scrambled eggs. But what about other chefs? Let's continue our Verb Cafe magic. He, she, it. Imagine your friend wants pancakes. Remember, chefs change their verb outfits. So instead of scramble, what does our friend say? He, she, eats. That's right. He, she eats pancakes. See, even though the action is the same, the verb changes depending on who is doing it. Cool, right? We drink orange juice together. They play outside in the sunshine. She bakes a delicious cake. The cat sleeps in a cozy basket. Remember, even groups can be chefs. When a bunch of friends want cereal, what do they say? They eat cereal. See, verbs are like magical customs that show who is doing the action. Now it's your turn. Look at these pictures. Who is the chef? And what verb do they use? A boy paints a picture. What does he say? He paints. A girl sings a song. What does she say? She sings. Children dance happily. What do they say? They dance. So remember, verbs change their clothes for different chefs, just like magic ingredients. I eat, you play, he sleeps, we laugh, they jump. Remember, verbs like to dress up for different chefs. So, he, she, it scrambles. We scramble and they scramble, depending on who is hungry. Yummy. Now, let's put your verb magic to the test. Look at these yummy orders. Can you tell me the correct verb conjugation for each customer? I want pancakes. What do I say? I make pancakes. You like orange juice. What do you say? You drink orange juice. He wants toast. What does he say? He eats toast. Ordering breakfast. I want cereal for breakfast. What do I say? I eat cereal. You love milk with your cereal. What do you say? I drink milk. He enjoys adding fruit to his cereal. What does he say? We are all hungry. What do we say? We order breakfast. He wants some cereal too. What does he say? He begs for cereal. Getting ready for school. I need to get ready for school. What do I say? I brush my teeth. You pick out a cool outfit. What do you say? I wear this shirt. He remembers his homework. What does he say? He takes his homework. We are excited to learn what do we say? They are ready for their lessons. What do they say? See, you are amazing verb chefs. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these verb changes in your sentences. Tell everyone who cooks breakfast at your house or who plays games with you. Remember, verbs change their outfits for different chefs, like magic ingredients. Practice with your friends and family, and soon you will be a verb master. What was your favorite Verb Cafe order? Let me know in the comments below. Practice your verb magic with friends and family. Soon you will be a verb master. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons, and see you next time.